Hello, my YouTube family. Welcome back to my channel. I'm still a bit under the weather. My voice is getting better, but as you can hear, I'm still a little raspy. So today's video is very quick. It's from the Calendar Kit Crush, you already read. And I'm going to scrap these photos of my sister and I. We did a downtown wine tour of our arts district in town around Christmas time. So, and again, she's gonna kill me because I didn't put something over her face. Sorry, Denise. I guess this is another tax you're gonna have to charge me. So I backed my main photo and the smaller one in that blue, but I thought the main photo needed more emphasis on it, so I pulled over that scrap of teal polka dot paper, and then I found this scrap of flower pattern paper, and I'm going to use those to back the photo with. And that's going to be it. So this, like I said, this layout comes together really quick. I'm getting my photos done laid down really quick. And the next thing I'm going to do is focus on embellishing. So I pulled over all these stickers that I had from the calendar kit. That one says something, "You are my favorite," which she is, my favorite sister. And I lay that down up there on a diagonal. I'm looking for a piece to go right here because there was an empty space at the bottom of the smaller photo, and I wanted to cover up that gray area. So I thought that circle would work, but it didn't. So I found these little gold cork stars, and I'm going to end up using those. I found these little hearts, and I put a couple of those on the sticker above, and I decided to use this Our Story, because me and her together is a hoot. So I thought that was appropriate. I'm going to stick this little orange tag, again from the Calendar Kit Crush, under the photo with that star. Get some glue on the back of this circle. And then I think I'm going to lay the page onto this coral looking cardstock from my stash. I laid it crooked, so I'm going to have to cut this a little bit to make it straight, which is okay with me. I'm fine with it. Because there was such a wide border at the bottom of that coral and it looked awkward, I thought I would just camouflage that by putting a border strip at the bottom and using the camera to be in the middle. And here you see I made an oopsie by putting too much ink on the camera. So I'm milling over my heat tool to get that to dry since I put so much ink on it. So I'm going to use my heat tool to dry out the camera so that it can be used on my layout. That camera came from how do you swap? Oh, color theory, color something. Oh, it went dark for a minute because I had to unplug it to use my heat tool. So yeah, this border strip it wasn't long enough, so I had to cut it. Alright, so I got that done. I cut it into 2 pieces, and now I'm going to use my camera to bridge to cover up the empty space, the void there. I put it up on foam dots to give it a little dimension. And I'm going to cut off the excess that's hanging over the bottom of the page, not the bottom, the sides of the page. Oh, and I think this is it. I'm going to draw out my lines for my journaling, guys, and I'm going to call my layout done. This page came together so fast. Best day ever. And it really was. It was a really good day with her. And that's going to be it, guys. Thank you for watching my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until the next time, hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.